that first meal after moving all day and not having any food for like 8 hours smacks. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, obviously I moved, and this vlog is just going to be me starting to kind of unpack and organize things. This has been such a long day. I've been moving since 6 a.m. and it's 8 p.m. right now, so I know that tonight I'm not gonna get a lot done, but there's just a couple of things. I don't know like where everything is. I labeled every box, but we were just really trying to get done, and so my family that was helping me, I just told them just throw everything anywhere. So I need to take a shower tonight, and I literally don't know where or what box like my shower curtain, like anything to shower with is. So mostly tonight I kind of just want to find that and kind of move things in the general area where I want them to be. I also, oh, here it is. Okay, I was like, I also have not gone pee probably in like 6 hours, but I found my toilet paper, so let me just start getting things together. Okay, this is the before of what everything looks like after moving in. Everything is kind of just random. I think the couch is placed, I think, where I want it to be. Oops. And the desk is kind of where I want it to be, but other than that, everything else is just like randomly thrown around, and I really don't know like what is what and where everything is. So this is what we're working with. The bedroom is actually pretty put together and not as messy, so I got the bed set up. How do I do this light? Why is the fan on? It's cold. Okay, so yeah, the bedroom is actually pretty set up, but other than that, everything else is kind of just thrown around. I'm still finding where the lights are, and everything else is kind of just like sprawled in random places. So I need to find where my shower curtain, like towels and something to wear to sleep is. I also have never had a Nest thermostat before, and I'm just like, what does this mean? Is it 74? Is it 78? Is there an app I get from my phone? Learning how to use this. I don't know how I feel about the couch placement, so I don't know. If I put it on that side, then part of it is pushed up against the window, and something about, I just don't really like the couch being next to the window. This way, it maybe could work because this part is kind of like separating the living room from the kitchen area, but I don't know, it just looks kind of weird to me, and then the TV would go there. I guess I would have to set up the TV and see how it is, but let's see. So if I'm sitting here, it seems like the TV's so far away. I don't know. And then this part just seems awkward because if you're sitting here, you're like facing the door. I mean, obviously you can just turn and look at the TV, but I'm gonna try the couch on this side and see how I feel, but maybe I might flip it. We shall see. I found the box that has my shower curtain in here, and I found a towel somewhere else. So I'm gonna take a shower and I will finish this vlog. Or I'm so tired, I cannot even talk. I will continue tomorrow. So it's the next morning. I'm just going through and unpacking all the boxes and just putting them where they need to be. Every time I move, I like to wash all the dishes, so I'm putting all the dishes in the sink and just putting everything else where it needs to be. And then the other boxes I'm just gonna put in the general area where they need to be. I look crazy. I did not use any like packing paper, but so far from what I've seen, none of my dishes have been broken, so packing skills. Found my coffee. My Keurig is right here, and I also found some mugs, so I'm going to make some much needed coffee. First cup of coffee in my new apartment. Unpacking update. So making some progress. Everything seems really messy right now, but basically the way that I like to do it is to just empty all the boxes and bags and just put everything in the area, and then I have a pile of the broken down boxes. I'm just like throwing clothes either on my bed or in my closet. The bathroom is a mess right now, so I'm just literally emptying things, putting them where they need to go, and then I'll go back and organize that later. And I'm trying to move some of the clothes into the closet, putting all my hangers up. So I decided that I think I'm gonna leave these here because my last apartment, I used these as like an entryway place to put shoes, but this apartment has a built-in mudroom, and I do need more like vertical space in my closet. So I'm probably gonna put like shoes and jeans there. And then also an update on the couch. So I think this is how I'm gonna leave it. I pushed it over off the wall, and I kind of like that the L, this part like separates the kitchen from the living room. And then my desk, I think this is the best spot for the desk. I pushed it over a little bit, and then the TV is going to stay there. I realized that I don't really have a spot for these bookshelves, and I think I might actually sell them, but I'm gonna unpack everything and see how it fits before I decide, but I'm kind of feeling like I do want to sell those. Unpacking has been the most stressful thing ever, and I'm realizing I have way too much stuff. Like, I knew I had a lot of stuff, but now that I'm looking at it, I just have way too much stuff. Mostly clothes. There has just been clothes all over. I've been trying to sort through them, and just when I think I'm done, I keep finding more boxes full of hangers and clothes. This is all filled with clothes, and I need to go through again and just get rid of some things because this is kind of ridiculous, and this is not all of them. And I just didn't really think that I had that much stuff. But now that I'm looking at it, there's just way too much junk. There's lots of other stuff that I don't even use. Like, I have like 30 car washing towels. I think I've only used like 2 times. And I have a bunch of old camera equipment, tripods, things that I just don't use. My place has been an absolute mess trying to sort through, but I think I just need to go take everything out. Oh, more clothes. See, this is what I'm talking about, and I don't even know what's in those 2 boxes I haven't opened yet. So I think what I need to do is just take everything out of the boxes, lay it all out. I'm gonna go through and see what I need to get rid of because I have way too much stuff here. Yeah, I think it's safe to say I definitely have a shopping problem. There's all of these clothes. That was the last box of clothes. These are summer clothes. And then I filled up the closet as much as possible. Look how many hangers. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna go through and do a donation pile. Day 5 and I finally have internet and Wi-Fi. I was struggling to get it together, so I had to call the cable people and they just came and set it up. So I finally have Wi-Fi. I think my place is almost together. There's a couple more things that I want to buy and still need to kind of do some organizing, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, and then my next video will be my furnished apartment tour once I get a couple more things in order. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.